have discussed the prose comprehension questions, and now we are into the next question. This is called fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option, the first Roman in the writing part, that is in the grammar part. Okay, and here you can read the thing. A person with positive attitude dash that every cloud has a silver lining. He knows that dash suffering or problem has some hidden lesson in it. He feels that suffering is a blessing in disguise. His positive attitude makes dash life heaven. I have given you 4 options, and do you know the marks which I have given for this question? It is 2 marks. So maximum of you have answered this as right. What will be the answer here? The answer is, which is the answer, children? Knows every and his. I have told you that I have given you 2 marks. No, it is only 1. So this is the right answer. Next question. Pick out the reporting verb from the following sentences. Father mentioned that he was going on a holiday. Reporting verb. We had a session on reporting verb. I made you to solve the things in your book back exercise. What is reporting verb? A grammar session. The very word is mentioned here, children. Father mentioned that he was going on a holiday. And you can find I have given 2 options for this question, mention and mention. But when you pick out the right meaning, it comes like right word of reporting verb. It is mentioned. What is the right word? It is mentioned. But here you have given it as mention. Even for this I have given you mark. But the answer is mention. Reporting verb. So this is the reporting verb. Mention is the reporting verb. And here for this question, which is the reporting verb then? Yes, it is promised. Promised is the reporting verb. Are you clear with the answer now? Okay. Next, choose the correct reporting verb here. In the previous 2 questions, I asked you to pick out. From the sentence you have to pick out. And here what you are going to do is, I have given you 4 options. From that you are going to choose a correct reporting verb. Is that clear for you? So what will come here? He dashed me against eating junk food. He advised me. He suggested. Suggested, it can be taken in a positive way or in a negative way. So we don't go with the word called suggested. So he advised me against eating junk food. He advised me. He gave his advice. You can take in this way. Next, the little girl to wear the sweater. What will be the answer? The little girl said no. You can write said no, but you have to pick out the reporting verb. The little girl delighted to. If the sentence is going to be like delighted, will there be any meaning in it? No. So, the little girl refused to wear the sweater. What is the answer? The little girl refused to wear the sweater, to have the sweater. And here, next question, the host dash for the delay. What will be the answer? The host apologized. Yes, you can take this word. Regretted. You may ask me, ma'am, this word regretted also means the same and apologized is also means the same. How you can give only answer as apologized? Regret is a kind of feeling, children, whereas apologize is the word which is used to ask sorry. Okay, apologize is a word which is used to ask sorry. Regret means it is a kind of feeling that cannot be expressed. You will have it in your heart. Okay, regretted. You regret for something. When you apologize, you will just express your feeling. You will let it out. Am I clear? So, apologized is asking sorry, whereas regret is a feeling which you have inside yourself. Next, come to the next question now. Fill in the blanks with appropriate degrees of comparison. I told you about positive, comparative and superlative degree. Here, fill in the blanks with appropriate degrees of comparison. So you have to choose the appropriate, and here you can find a word called than. Are you able to find a word called than over here? Yes. So what is the answer? More serious. What degree should come? Yes, it is comparative degree. What is the answer? More serious. My sister is more serious than me. What is the answer? My sister is more serious than me. Am I right, children? Okay. Let us move to the next question now. My mother is the. So here again there is a clue word, the. So if the word the comes, try to register in your mind, children. If the word the comes, it is called superlative degree. My mother is the most beautiful. What is the superlative degree of beautiful? Most beautiful. Beautifulest. There is no such word. I don't know how many of you have taken that option. There is no such word as beautifulest. Beautiful will not come. Beautiful than, no, it will not come, because here there is a word called the. So this won't come. Most beautiful. What is the superlative degree of beautiful? It is most beautiful women in the world. Move to the next question now. Living in the countryside is, and as I told you, here there is a word called than. Living in the countryside is dash than living in a town. What will come here? Here there is a word called than. So the answer is more peaceful than living in a town. Living in the countryside is more peaceful than living in a town. Are you clear with the answers now? Okay, so from question number 1 to 15, when I showed you the bar diagram, histogram of that, your range was not good. Whereas after this, your answers are good. Only till question number 15, your responses was not good. You can find that few people got all these answers right. That is the reason why I discussed the answers with you. And this degrees of comparison, children, I have told you what are the 3 degrees of comparison. It is positive, comparative and superlative degree. When you find a word called than, it clearly shows that it comes under comparative degree. And here when you see the word the, it clearly shows that it comes under which degree? It comes under superlative degree. What is the answer? Most beautiful is the answer. So these are some clues which will help you to find out. Okay. And after this, your answers are maximum it is right, children. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Okay. What is the answer? Feared and avoided. The little girl never stuttered. Okay. What is the answer? Stuttered with other people. Her grandmother suggested her to make a cushion of what silk? What colored silk? Yes, it is yellow colored silk. What is the answer, children? It is yellow colored silk. Her father came into the room with a, more or less the answers are same, stick, ruler, log, scale. What will be the answer? So it is ruler. Stick, log, everything means the same. Ruler means here it is a scale. Okay. So the exact word which is given in the text is ruler. How many children did McDonald's have? Yes, it is 5. Okay, what is the answer? 5. Next, a glad sense of relief for Kezia. What is a glad sense of relief for Kezia? Yes, both these statements. Father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss. Noise of the carriage grows fainter. So both the statements are correct. Option C is the right answer. Both the statements are correct. When Kezia gets a glad sense of relief? When both these things occur. Okay, and I think so maximum you will be knowing the answers of all other questions. What will I do if I have a nightmare? Who is the speaker? Kezia is the speaker. The story, the little girl conveys the message, bond of love between a father and a girl. Okay, pick out the words of alliteration, humid hour and starry spares. Okay, and here mention the figure of speech, melancholy darkness. How many of you have written it correct? It is personification. What is the answer, children? It is personification. When I discussed you the poem, I have given you the poetical device. Be clear. Give the meaning of the word shingles. What is the meaning of the word shingles? Shingles is the tiles on the roof. What is called the shingles? Tiles on the roof. Next. What does the word years agone mean? Years agone means it refers to the past. You cannot call it as memories. The exact meaning of the word years agone. Agone means it is past. Okay. Next, give the meaning of the phrase what a bliss. It is a blessing. What a bliss. What is the meaning of the word? It's a blessing. So, is a poetic word for, okay, old poetic word for before. Okay, before is the answer. Find out the poetic device used in the lines. Every tinkle on the shingles. So, tinkle shingles. What is the answer? Yes, it is onomatopoeia. The sounding words, onomatopoeia. Tinkle shingles. So, it refers to onomatopoeia. Einstein was called as brother boring by his playmates. Okay. Next, he was a gifted amateur violinist. Easiest question. Next, according to the Einstein, who was a clever creature? Yes, it is Mileva Maric. Who is the clever creature? She is Mileva Maric. Next, the newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. No, it is not a world frame. It is not an interpretation of gravity. What is the answer? A scientific revolution. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in the year 1921. Yes. Be careful with the answer. And here, what is the answer? When Einstein died, he did not involve himself in politics. Okay. So, first statement is not correct. Second statement is correct. Statement 2 is correct as the answer. That is the way you have to choose the answer. A few years later, only few people have answered this question. Meaning of the word faltered, broke. Okay. What is the meaning of the word faltered? It is broke. At the age of 13, Einstein felt stifled. What is the meaning? It is suffocated. Next, here are some facts from Einstein's life. Arrange them in chronological order. What will be here in the chronological order? And I think so you people got confused over here. Let me explain the question. See, I have given answers for these two questions, but the right answer is, you can take this one. Fifth is the right option, children. Einstein is born in the German city of Ulm. This comes. You have to give the number as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it clear, children? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the way you have to choose the answer. And Einstein is born, first option. This is the right option. Einstein is born in the German city of Ulm. Einstein attends a high school in Munich. Einstein's family moves to Milan. Tired of school's regimentation, Einstein withdraws from school. Later, he joins a university in Zurich. Okay, so I have discussed you the answers now. And as I told you, I'll give you the deleted portions. Have your textbook in hand. If not, pause the video and have your English textbook in hand. We have completed 3 prose lesson, 3 poems. Okay. Third supplementary, Ishwaran the storyteller is deleted topic. Okay. Ishwaran the storyteller is a deleted topic. Whereas 4th poem, the lake Isle of Innisfree. The lake Isle of